TNGTE English Senior August 2019. Condensation 5 seconds. Comments. Speaking in the Legislative Assembly on the Governor's address, an honorable member said, "Mr. Speaker, sir, I welcome the Chief Minister's assurance that the government will take necessary steps to see that decisions are taken as quickly as possible so that there may be no complaint of a delayed decision. One such issue is the farmers' demands regarding a remunerative price for their produce. I would request the government to produce during the course of the budget session a white paper on the demands of the farmers, because we do not know what exactly the demands are, what the financial implications are likely to be, in what form relief is requested by the farmers. The request made by the state government to the central government regarding the rescheduling of debts and writing off of interest and a variety of other demands and solutions should be embodied in the white paper so that we may have an opportunity to discuss these in detail during the budget session. On one matter, I think the farmers are justified in feeling aggrieved, and that is that in spite of an increase in the price of fertilizers and an increase in the price of diesel, an immediate announcement has not been made by the Agricultural Prices Commission or the Government of India regarding an enhancement in the procurement price of agricultural produce in Tamil Nadu. The farmers cannot plunge into ploughing and farming operations during the coming agricultural season if they are not immediately assured of a remunerative price for paddy. I would request that an increase in the procurement price of paddy and other commercial crops be given immediately, and a committee also be appointed to go into the current cost of production of agricultural commodities in our state. The other matter which is referred to in the governor's address is something which is most appropriate. It is about the quantum of central investment in Tamil Nadu. My honorable friend may feel that it is a matter of confrontation with the center, but I do not think it is so. It is a fact that the central investment in central sector undertakings in Tamil Nadu has come down in terms of percentage. I appreciate the views of the Tamil Nadu government in this respect. The Finance Commission has mentioned that Tamil Nadu is ideally suited for establishing defense industries and that it is an ideal location from the security point of view for expansion of defense industries. I hope the government of Tamil Nadu will be able to persuade the government of India to step up the quantum of central investment, because it will give a fill up to secondary and tertiary industries in our state. Regarding cottage industries and small scale industries, this government has always evinced great interest in the district industries centers. These centers have been doing good work. They deserve encouragement because rural industrialization can come about only with the development of these district industries centers. I hope that the government of Tamil Nadu, which has taken to the district industries centers scheme very seriously, will give encouragement to these centers so that they may speed up industrialization in the rural sector. Then, the proposal to take the Panchayat Union teachers into the government sector is welcome. There are different types of teachers and institutions, namely private aided schools, schools run by panchayats and municipalities, etc. There are so many castes in the educational institutions. It is advisable to consult the representatives of the various schools and teachers for the purpose of thrashing out all the problems involved. Elaboration. 5 seconds. Comments. Number 1. V.O. Chidambaranar Port Trust, Thuthukudi, invites sealed tenders from reputed and financially sound bidders for providing reception facilities for collection of waste oil and used oil from merchant ships and port crafts at the Port Trust for a period of 3 years. Estimated value of the work rupees 60 lakhs plus goods and services tax. Earnest money deposit rupees 5 lakhs. Tender documents can be obtained from the office of the trust from 11th September 2018 to 8th October. Tenders will be received up to 3 p.m. on 9th October and opened at 4 p.m. on the same day in the presence of the tenderers or their authorized representatives. Port Trust reserves the right to accept or reject any tender without assigning any reason therefor. Draft tender notice to be issued by the Deputy Conservator of the Port Trust. Number 2. Applications are invited from Indian citizens for selection to the post of Director, Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Institute of Medical Sciences, Lucknow. The candidate should not have attained the age of 62 years. Selected candidate will hold the post for 5 years or till 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. Educational qualification as prescribed by Medical Council of India. Pay scale at level 17 as per 17th Pay Commission recommendation with grade pay of rupees 2 lakhs. Interested candidates may send their applications along with attested copies of certificates till 5 p.m. on 6th December 2018 to the Director General, Medical Education and Training, Uttar Pradesh, Jawahar Bhavan, Lucknow. Draft advertisement to be issued by the Director General. Number 3. A 70-year-old woman was killed and 2 others were critically injured when a Metropolitan Transport Corporation bus and a call taxi collided on Kamarajar Salai off Marina Beach on Friday. The bus proceeding towards Broadway tried to overtake another bus. The bus collided with the call taxi heading towards Mylapore with 2 passengers. Public and the traffic police personnel rescued the call taxi driver and the 2 passengers from the mangled car. They were rushed to Government Roypeta Hospital. The Anna Square Traffic Investigation Police are investigating the case. Draft an eyewitness account of the accident. Number 4. Draft a letter to the editor, The Indian Express, Chennai, on the following lines. On November 16, you had been to the Greater Chennai Corporation office to pay the increased corporation property tax. You were pleasantly surprised when the young man at the counter welcomed you with a smile. Though you did not know what the revised amount was, he answered you politely. You filled the check, got the receipt, and came out within 5 minutes. You offer your congratulations to the corporation and request them to keep up this gesture at all times in future for the benefit of the public.